Okay, fine. Yeah, morning everyone. So happy New Year.
Thank you, sir. Wish you the same.
Same to you, sir.
Thank
Wish you the
you.
same, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, I hope everyone got the syllabus for your next internal, right? So it starts from Monday. So I told you what are the things you are supposed to. You're supposed to prepare for the third internals. So I think I told the syllabus. It starts from your source transformation, star delta, followed by 5 theorems, and then one topic on your initial condition, that is driven undriven concept, what we did on RL circuit. Okay, so today we'll try to analyze some more problems. So I'm not going to do anything now. So I want you to explain how to solve the problems. So we'll try to solve problems on all the topics, and we will try to understand. Is it visible here? Board is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so we'll try to understand how much you have understood from this syllabus for third year. Okay, so we'll start with the source transformation. Say I want source transformation at least one problem. Similarly, star delta 1 and 5 theorems, one problem each. So after this hour, so 12 o'clock, I think you have ED class, right? Today timetable you have 33 subject code. 12 o'clock, correct now? So if you don't know timetable, it's ED class is there, but I'm going to engage that class. So we'll do the revision part completely. Anyhow, we won't get tomorrow class, right? So we'll try to wind the revision today only. Okay. So I'm audible here to everyone. Is it fine? Audible? Board is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now look at this question. So this network is based on your source transformation. See, don't see the complexity of a network. Just stick on to your basic procedure. So now the question is, you need to find what is the current across this 10 ohm resistor. So 10 ohm resistor across terminal A and B using source transformation. So that word is very, very important because you can get the same question using mesh also. So be alert while reading the question, everyone. So just go ahead with this. So I want you to explain how to solve this problem. So now this is a revision class. It should be an interaction one, right? So whoever I'm going to ask, they should tell me how to solve this problem now. So remaining, you can solve if you know. So let's proceed. Chaitra is there, 27 question number.
Yes, sir.
Audible, yeah?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me how to solve this problem? Yes. Chaitra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to solve the problem here?
That planar conversion, sir, first.
It's a given network. So what are the possible connections you can eliminate? See, we know that you should remember two things. One is, if current in series, you can't add things. You need to convert to voltage and you have to get the answer. Similarly, if voltages are in parallel, you can't go ahead. Correct now? So same logic we will try to implement here. So now tell me how many combinations we can change to your current, because you can see n number of voltage sources are in parallel. So we know n number of voltage sources in parallel means we are not supposed to add things easily. So across 10 ohm is what they are given. So this is like a load now. So except this 10 ohm, remaining all you're supposed to eliminate to a single mesh. So if you look at this, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 mesh are there. So if you apply your KCL logic, so how much complexity will be? So that we need to overcome. Okay. That is why source transformation technique is there. Yeah. So now can you tell me how to solve this problem? Yes, Tejas. What are the things we can make this to get a reduced network? Tejas. Audible, Tejas. Okay, Bhumika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you proceed here how to solve the problem?
So we need to convert those voltage source into current so that we can add that in parallel.
Okay, we will go one by one. You keep telling from which end you want to eliminate.
Oh.
Yeah.
So from that 4 and 10.
This.
Uh,
So
8
we
and 2,
have
sir.
8 and 2 practical voltage source. So again there is a current source and that is ideal, right? And again you have one more voltage source. So we know that one current already there. So if you make this conversion to current, this two becomes one combination. Again from that two you can get one more combination. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly here also, so you can't touch this 10 ohm because this is where I should find my current. So this is where my load current I should find. So keep this 10 ohm as it is. So convert this 12-4 combination to your practical current source. Similarly, this 10-4 to practical current source. Convert back to one practical current source. Similarly here also, yes or no here? Is
Yes,
it the
sir.
way you should solve, everyone? So once you got this current, this current, this current, so that will be in series. So you can do the combination converting back to voltage and you will get one single answer. Okay na? So we'll start the things now. So I want answers from you. So let's proceed. So convert that 8 and 2 to a practical current source. So let me write a symbol arrow mark upward for the 2 ohm resistor will be in parallel. Yeah. What is the value of the current now?
4 amperes facing upwards, sir.
Correct na? So I is equals to V by R. V is 8 divided by 2. So you're going to get 4 amp. So 2 will be as it is. So let me take that 10 as it is. So now we got to know that this is how it looks. Correct na? So can I convert the 10 and 4 also to current source? Can I? Am I audible here? Can I convert that 10 volt 4 to current source? Yes? I'm asking you people only. Can we convert? Am I audible here? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can we convert this 10 to 4 to a current source is a question. Can we? Why silent chair? You can't convert that to a current source? No voice only? What's wrong? Yeah, Arpita, audible? Arpita,
Yes, sir.
Jan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Arpita. Can you tell me, can we convert the 10 volt and 4 to a practical current source or not? This part I'm telling. Can we convert this to a practical current source or not? My voice is breaking here. I am not getting response from you people.
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yeah. So you got the question what I'm asking? Shall I convert this 10 and 4 also to current source is the question. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, but be careful. Don't do all the conversion in one step only, because each step carries marks. If there is such kind of problem, it will be from 8 to 10 marks. So straight away, don't do all the conversion in one shot only. So now you have converted this 8 volt 10, keep it as it is. So the remaining circuit will be remains as it is. So let me go with that same thing. So we need to read out a circuit. Okay. So then remaining part as it is. So now you can see these two are in series. So can I make it to 1? So this becomes what? How much? 14. So now see, we have eliminated one part or one mesh easily. So now this is what the left out part. So again we want to reduce this, means what we should do here? Again convert this 10-4 to a practical current source, right? So if you convert that practical current source, what's the answer? So direction is upward and there will be a resistor parallel to this. Okay? So you're not supposed to alter anything with the original circuit. Keep it as it is. So let me redraw the things. So try to show the steps clearly, everyone. Okay? So now 10 by 4, I is equals to V by R. So 10 by 4, how much?
2.5 amperes, sir.
2.5. Good. So 2.5 amps and 4 ohm will be as it is. So now see, I am trying to do only
Sir,
this
the
part.
10 ampere source is facing downwards, no, sir? Shouldn't we subtract?
Yeah. Correct. So I think it should be. So I think it is like this, right? So plus minus. I think you told this has 4.
Yes, sir. 4
And direction is downwards.
was
Correct.
facing
So it's 10.
Yes, sir.
So it's 10 minus 4, 6, and direction should be downwards. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you need to mark this as 6 because this is pointing downwards. Yes, good. So now you can see 6 ohm is downwards and 2.4 is upward. Again, you can do 6 minus 2.5. Kata. So you're going to get how much? How much, yeah? So you're going to
3.6,
get
sir.
4, and what is the value of resistor? 2, 4 combination parallel. How much? 2 and 4. How much? Parallel combination. So 2 into 4 divided by 2 plus 4.
1.33 ohms, sir.
1.33. Okay. So this complete part has reduced to one practical current source. Okay. So remaining, retain the things as it is. Any doubts? Anyone till here? See, you need to show all the steps clearly. Okay. So you can look at here. This complete has been reduced to a single practical current source. Right? So now what is the next thing? I need to keep this 10 ohm as it is, right? What is the next part? So can convert this to a practical current source and this to a practical current source and this to also practical current source. Okay. So we'll do one by one. We have finished this part. So let me go with this now. So convert this to practical current source. Both of that.
Sir, it will be
Practical current source.
3.5 amperes, sir.
Istapa?
It will not be 4, sir. It is 3.5 amperes, sir.
This one?
Yes, sir. 6 minus 2.5, sir.
Okay. 3.5 amps. So value of resistor is 1.33. Okay. So now tell me this answer. So I is equals to V by R. So I can tell 6 amp. So this 6 amp here
Yes, sir.
with 1 ohm resistor. What about that? I think you will get 3 amps again. So one more current
Yes,
source.
sir.
So one more resistor. Clear? So this is your 3 amps with 1. See, we have converted this practical voltage source to current source. So we are going to get 2 practical current sources in parallel. So remaining things you can keep as it is. See, that's why I'm doing, try to maintain the steps. Okay. So now here 3 and 6 are in same direction. Can I add it? Can I add?
Yes, sir.
So this 3 and 6 become 9. So we are going to get one elimination of this. So I'm going to get only one current source, that is of 9 amp. What is the value of resistor?
0.5 ohms, sir.
0.5. So again, what we should do, you same way you convert either ends also, then we'll try to convert everything in terms of voltage. Okay. So same way, convert this to also to your practical current source and tell me what is the answer. So if you convert this 10 and 4 combination, so direction is
2.5.
upward. So it's how much here?
2.5, sir.
2.5, and resistor 4 ohm is parallel to this. Again 12 and 4, 3 now.
3 amperes, sir.
So direction is upward. So connect the resistor and you keep that load as it is. So keep the 10 ohm load as it is. So this is your 3 and this is your 4. Yeah. So 2.5 and 4 are in 3 are in same direction. 2.5 and 4 in same direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can eliminate again there. So I want only one resistor now. So what is the value of this? 2.5 plus 3.
5.5 amperes, sir.
5.5 amps. What about resistor value here? So 4 and 4. How much?
2, sir.
2. Good. So now look at here. So this is how the circuit looks. So after doing everything in terms of current, this is how the circuit looks. You can make out the difference here from previous problem, this problem. It looks lengthier, but concept remains same. So now we know that it's like a series. So it's like a series connections. We can't do anything. So what you should do? Convert this to a practical voltage source. This to practical. This to practical. Yes or no here? That is the way you should solve.
Yes, sir.
So proceed. So convert this to practical voltage source and tell me how it looks. So what is the equivalent of this? So arrow mark is pointing downwards. So similarly, the voltage should also be plus minus or minus plus.
Minus plus, sir.
So minus plus because the direction is downwards. Okay. So minus plus. So what is the value here?
4.655 volts, sir.
4.56. Okay.
65, sir.
Good. What about? Okay. Next answer. Convert the current source to voltage. V is equals to I into R. It's
4.5
9 into
volts, sir.
0.5. Okay. So this is also 4.5. Okay. So for this 0.5, I'm going to connect. How much is that? 5.5 into 2?
11, sir.
11 volt. 11 volt. So last left out is load. I'm going to place that load at this as it is. So the logic is you need to apply which method you want, you can apply. So after this, see, we have reduced it. How many meshes we had earlier? 6 meshes was there, right? So from 6 mesh, we reduced it to 2 mesh, such a way that we can find the current across 10 ohm easily. So what can be made after this now? Answers from your side. What can be made after this? Yeah. How to get the current across 10 ohm here? What is the procedure?
So we add up the voltage sources, sir.
You add up the voltage sources. Okay, good. So you just check out how to add things now. So minus plus, plus minus, you should be very careful here. Yeah, check out. So these two are in series, right? But this is in parallel. this 11 volt is in parallel. Agree? So only this two are in series. So just look at your direction. You can mark like this. Direction mark like this. Is it same direction?
Yes, sir.
So what can be done now? Can I add straight away? See, you will get confused minus plus plus minus. That's why I told mention the arrow mark. Head indicates plus, tail indicates minus. So that shows both are in same direction. So I can add to a single voltage source. So what's the answer? It's how much here?
9.15 volts, sir.
So 9.15 volt. So let me take the direction in the same direction. So plus minus only because it is pointing same, correct? Both are same. How much?
9.15, sir.
9.15. And you have one resistor 0.5 and 1.33. It's 1.83.
83, sir.
So we reduce this complete part and again how it is like this. So 2, 11 followed by 10. So now how it is again, in which form it is? Again two practical voltage sources are in parallel. What should be done?
We convert it again into current source and again current to voltage source and add them up and find the resultant current, sir.
Good. So now check out what is the answer for this current source, first one. The direction is downwards and 1.83 is parallel. Yeah. How much here?
5 amperes, sir.
5 amps. Okay. Similar next one. Arrow mark is upward. Check out the answer. I is equals to V by R, 11 by 2.
5.5 amperes, sir.
5.5. Okay. So left out is your load 10. See, we should not do the alteration for the resistor where they ask you to get the current. So I have written the position. Now you can see plus and this is plus. So both are in opposite direction. So I should subtract 5.5 minus 0.5. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So you just write to a single and direction should be the highest one. So highest is this. So it means highest answer is 0.5. Huh?
Yes, sir.
About equivalent resistor. How much is equivalent resistor? (1.83 into 2) divided by 1.83 plus 2. How much?
0.955.
0.955.
0.9, huh?
0.955, sir.
Okay, 0.95. Fine. So now, see, we can get the current directly from this position. No need to do any conversion, right? I hope you don't remember the branch current concept here.
Yes, sir.
Can I apply my branch current rule here? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So
Yes,
how
sir.
to get that? So I told you, right? So branch current is equals to main current is 0.5 into opposite resistor for this is 0.95 divided by 10 plus 0.95. How much? How much? How much, Brunda? What's the answer?
One second, sir.
Estapa? Point? Repeat your answer here.
1 minute, sir. I'm calculating.
Okay, okay. Yeah, any doubts, anyone till here? If you have doubt, you can ask here. Yes?
0.0433, sir.
0.043, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone got 0.043 as answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we will verify this once more. How we can verify? So we can apply the logic again source transformation. We will get one voltage source, then again I can convert that. Can I get the answer?
Yes, sir.
So just convert that also, we'll verify. So convert this to practical voltage source. Direction is plus minus. And we have one resistor here, one resistor as it is. What's the value? V is equals to I into R. 0.5 into 0.95. How much here?
0.477, sir.
0.47. Okay. So then this is your 0.95 and this is your 10. Yes. Verify this. So I need to find what now? I need to find I. How will you find I? How will you find I?
Add up the resistances and
Add
divide.
up the resistance. If you add up the resistance, do you get the current? Say whatever current is flowing, same current here also, no? Because it is
Yes,
only
sir.
one mesh. So it's 10.95 is your resistor. Voltage is 0.75. How to calculate current now? I is equals to V by R. V by R. Correct? How much?
Yes, sir.
How much here?
0.043, sir.
Is it same answer what you got? Understood? Everyone, is it fine? Till here, any doubts, anyone?
Sir.
Yeah, Bharat, any doubts here?
No, sir.
Okay. See, for the same question, they ask you to find the current, right? So across that, if they ask you to get the voltage also, then what you should do? How to find the voltage across your 10 ohm resistor? What I
Voltage
should
division
do?
rule, sir.
Huh?
Voltage division rule in the series circuit, sir.
Voltage division rule in a series circuit. Good. So what's the answer? Chagar, what is the current flow across terminal A, B? So A and B is here, right? So across this, I want what is the current flow? How much? Anyone got the answer? How much, Jen?
Sir, I'm doing it, sir. The voltage value. Yes.
Yeah. Others, anyone got the answer? Stay told, try to practice at least one problem on each and come for today's class. So that we can do revision. If you have doubt, you can ask. But you have not done that still. So Monday is your internals. And one more thing I will tell clearly. See, if you have an idea that we will do copy paste in the internals, you may get full marks. But in the exam, you are going to suffer. You are going to struggle like anything in the exam if you won't practice. If you have made an habit that everything I am going to copy the things and write in the internals, so during exam time, you are going to feel the heat. What is this network subject is. So better don't do that. If you do mistake also not an issue. Try to write or solve what you understood from the topic. If you have doubt, you ask me, I'll repeat. If you copy, paste and write in the internals, I am not the loser, you will be the losers. So don't think it's so simple subject. So we have textbook, we have a notes. So same problem you can do or copy from your friend. This is all what? Just internal marks you can boost, that's it, but not in the exam. So try to practice and let me know any doubts you can discuss. Yeah, got the answer, Jayant?
Yes, sir. Just a second. It's 0.429, sir. 0.429 volts, sir.
The voltage, it means
Yes, sir.
same thing, no?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the
But a small
voltage you
drop
got,
across
is
the
it same?
0.95 ohms, sir.
Point?
There's a small drop across the 0.95 volts, so
Yeah.
a 0.95 ohms, sir.
Okay, fine. So everyone got the thing how to solve. If they ask current across particular resistor, you can get. If they ask current particular voltage, you can get. Say to that's why I told don't see the complexity of a problem. If you keep solving step by step clearly, you will come to know what is the answer clearly. So I hope everyone got the things clearly. Is it fine? Is it fine here?
Yes, sir.
So any
Yes,
other
sir.
problem, if you have doubt in source transformation, you can ask. We will do that, or else we'll go to star delta now. Any doubts, any problem with source transformation technique? If you have any doubt with source transformation technique, let me know. See, revision is not for me, it's for you people to get practice for the internals that indicates preparation for the exam. So you people have made your mind that every time I'm going to do copy paste. It has become a habit from 8 months. Huh? Idly if you are reading and writing and maximum or just copying from others. I'm stressing you will face the issue in the exam here. Still you don't know the importance of the network subject. Dump on the paper once, then only you get to know what difficulties you are facing. So shall I move on to next one? Everyone. So no doubts in source transformation
sir.
topic. Can I go ahead?
No, no.
Okay, good. So now we'll try to solve one problem on star delta also. Just make note of a question. Find the equivalent resistance. Find the equivalent resistance between the terminals A and B. Between the terminals A and B. Another question. So network, I think this type of problem we are not solved. Yes or no, yeah? Is it solved with this type? Anyone? A problem solve again, bro.
No, sir.
Okay. Hold on. So this is a given network. So now I have written a circuit. Run the circuit first. So I want you to tell how to solve this problem now. So you hope everyone remember star delta conversion formulas. Do you remember or not? So let's recollect it first. So now what is the thing I told? Star to delta or delta to star, whatever things are there. So assume that this is the given thing, right? So you can mark the things R1, R2, R3, now what I gave. So what was the thing I given terminals in the class? Is it RA, RB, RC or R1, R2, R3?
RC.
Okay. So RA, RB, RC. So if this is the thing, then how to find the star we told? So we need to find the inside part, R1, R2, R3. What is the formula here? How to find this inside resistor? See, that is what the meaning of star to delta or delta to star. So now I have given delta for you. I want star. So if you want inside resistor value, what is the thing you should do? Multiply the either end resistor divided by sum of all. Cut and draw.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So same way you can repeat. If on this inside register, multiply this to sum of all. Okay. So now tell me that logic for this problem. How to be solved? Look at the question carefully. Anywhere can we reduce anything?
Series resistances, sir.
How
6
many
and
you
3.
have? Good. How many
6
series
and 3 and
resistors
8
you
and
have?
7, sir.
You can see here 6 and 3 combination is in series. Similarly, 8 and 7 combination is in series. Agree? Everyone agree?
Yes,
So
sir.
now you can eliminate that to a single resistor. So you can write 8, 7 combination to one resistor and equivalent value becomes 50 now. Similarly, you have one more elimination and this becomes 9, right? So now what they've asked, you need to find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So any number of complex meshes are there, reduce everything to a single resistor using a combination of your star delta or delta star conversion is the question. Okay, now first elimination is done. So circuit also written good. Now next procedure, what can be done? Where I should apply my star delta conversion now or delta star conversion? Which place? See, in the exam you are supposed to write, I am not going to write, right? So you should know what should be solved. Each and every step we already discussed. Nothing new we are discussing today. We are just doing revision. Yes? How to solve now? What is the procedure I told? You are thinking answer or what?
Sir, at the node B, sir, we find that there is a delta type of configuration, sir.
Okay, fine. So it means that, see, what is the thing I told? To get this to a star, see, ultimate goal is to between A and B, I should get only one resistor, right? So if this is your delta, so I told what is the other name for delta? What is the other name for delta? Delta means this, right? So what is the other name for delta? Can I call it as pi also?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, yeah? See, is it like a pi now? Pi. So whenever you want
Yes,
to
sir.
convert this delta to star, what is the procedure I told? Between two resistors, you try to place one resistor I told, right? So between these two resistors, see this markation what I am doing inside, that is for your reference. So you can draw things in pencil. So don't write in pen. So in between two resistors, I can place one resistor. Right? So again, in between these two resistors, I can place one more resistor. Agree, everyone? Am I clear till here? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. So now can you tell me what is the answer for this? So let me eliminate the remaining part. So let me keep the circuit, the original one, and let me eliminate the things like this. So this is how it looks. This is how the circuit looks. Sarendra? Okay na? So now tell me
Yes,
what
sir.
is this answer?
All
much
are
is
3
this?
ohms, sir.
How much?
3 ohms, sir.
3. This
All are
one?
3, sir.
All are 3 only.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Because it's
if you have
999.
same resistor, see in the mesh or delta, if you have same thing, if you convert for one, so remaining becomes same. Okay. Next step. Next step. What
We
should be the
added the
next step?
series resistances, sir.
So you can see this 3 and 9 become series. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this 5 and 3 also in series. The thing what I have marked, is it in series here? So we can eliminate that. So let me redraw the circuit. So 15 as it is, 8 here, then 10 is as it is. So this is your terminal A. So this part 5 plus 3 become 8. So try to write the steps properly so that you should not get any confusion. So you have one more resistor now. So now this becomes 12 and one more resistor of 3. So this is how it looks after doing that simplification. Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what can be done here. So can I convert this or should I convert this?
Sir, the
You want to convert this one
network
or
with
this
respect
one?
to the A, sir.
With respect to A? Okay, good. See, you can, it's like a trial basis, okay? You just check out for which one you'll get a simplification. So what I told, between these two, one resistor, between these two, one resistor, between these two, one more resistor. So this is how it looks. Kaltappa. So now tell me what is the answers, new answer. So you have 3 different resistor. So obviously you will get different answers. How much? So I'm going to eliminate a circuit now. So this is how it looks. Saina? Yes. What is the value of this? What's the value of this here? So it's 15 into 10 divided by 15 plus 10 plus 8. How much? This one, no? This is where I'm finding, right? 15 to 10 divided by sum of all. How much here? This one?
4.5.
4.45, sir.
Good. 4.4. Fine. So I want this resistor means 15 into 8 divided by sum of all. How much?
3.63, sir.
3.63.
3.63. Okay. Your last answer, Arun. How much your answer? 10 into 8 divided by sum of all. Ten into 8 divided by sum of all. Yeah. How much, Arun? Audible here. Arshita?
Yes, sir.
Step answer of 10 into 8 divided by sum of all. I want this resistor. So I told 10 into 8 divided by sum of all. Correct? How much? Still doing here? Any doubts? Anyone stuck anywhere? Is it fine till here? I want this answer. So it's 8 into 10 divided by sum of all. How much?
ohms, sir.
How much?
2.42 ohms, sir.
2.42. Okay. Okay. So this is what the things we got. Now, what is happening? What all series? How many combinations now? So 8 and
8 and
4.4
4.4.
become series. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
2.4 and 12 become series. Kata.
Yes, sir.
So now rewrite the circuit, everyone. So let me draw once more. See, I'm not going to touch the terminals A and B. So A is here. So this will be for your 3.63 as it is. Okay. Then this 4.4 and 8 become one resistor. So I can reduce it to 12.4. Correct and wrong? Then
Yes, sir.
this to become one resistor. So how much is this? So it's 14.42. Sign up, right? So what should be given here? So this 3 is parallel series list now.
It's parallel, sir.
So it is like this. So this 2 have become 1 because I admitted this, right? So left out is this. So this becomes your 3. So this is how it looks. Now how to solve?
Sir, we resolve the parallel combination and add them in series, sir.
Good. See, actually, if I write the resistor here or here, both are same. Correct and wrong? If I write the things like this, is it same?
Yes, sir.
So you can reduce this easily. No need to apply again any conversions here. Just apply your parallel logic and tell me what is the answer. So A is here with 3.63. So this answer how much here? It is like this. So it looked like this. So 12.4, 14.42 and 3 is here. So this is how it looks. So what I have drawn, is it correct here? The written circuit, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Check out what is the parallel combination answer now.
6.66, sir.
6.66. So you have 3.63, 6.66 and one more 3, all are in series. So now check out what is the equivalent answer. How much?
$13.29 ohms, sir.
Good. 13.29 ohm. See? So this is what they've asked. Find the equivalent resistor between the terminals A and B using star delta conversion. See? Try to follow step by step. You will get the answer perfectly. Okay? So any doubts? Anyone with star delta conversion? Any other problem? We have finished source transformation as well as star delta conversion. So if you have any doubt with these two topics, you can ask. So or else, so 12 o'clock session, we will go with your theorems now. Try to have a glance of theorems at least once and come glance. So which theorem, which method we should apply and how to apply. So we have 5 theorems. We will try to do revision on that. So before that, any doubts? Anyone with this topic of source transformation star delta? Yeah, Bharat?
Sir, at starting, how we will get 3 ohms, sir, during delta to star conversion?
This one?
Yes, sir.
So what was the value given here? I don't tell you, you only told the answer.
10,
I think what was the
9,
value
sir.
given? Did I give different values
All
or
were
same
9,
value?
sir.
Ishtappa?
All were 9, sir.
All were 9? Yeah, I think
10,
you will
9,
go
9,
999, no? It was 6
10,
plus
9,
3 combination.
99, sir.
It was
Yes, sir.
999, right?
110, sir.
I gave
110 was there, sir.
29.
So, okay, fine. So, was it like this? So, you should have told earlier, no? We already
Yes,
solved the
sir.
problem only. It's okay, not a
Okay.
problem.
Yes, sir.
I wrote the answer what you're told. So, it was
Okay,
10.
sir. Yes, sir.
Then again you had 9, huh? So,
Yes,
where
sir.
I got 10? Here or here?
10 was there only, sir.
Correct,
Okay,
sir.
fine. So, then again you had like this. So, it was like this. Cut and drop 6 plus 3.
Yes, sir.
Ingita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you won't get same answer because 10 is there.
Mhm.
What
Yes, sir.
then?
Yes, sir.
Just check
Yes,
out.
my bad, sir.
Yeah, it was like this. So now you
Yes,
have
sir.
to change everything. So you should have told earlier, no, Bharat?
Sir, I thought I copied the question wrong, sir. So.
Okay, fine, not an issue. It's okay, got the procedure right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now we just change this. So this becomes 9. So this combination becomes 9. So from there, you just keep going. So keep solving. This is your B, right? So same combination, instead of adding that 3, I should add this answers. What is the combination of this? Start, tell me the answer.
So first one is 3.21 RA.
Okay, let me write just a minute. Idyappa, you running this one?
Yes, sir.
Ishta, 3.21.
21, sir.
3.21. Okay, this one?
3.
9,
sir.
I think 3 only, na?
2.89, sir.
2.89. Okay, fine. Last one. Same. Huh?
3.21, sir.
3.21. I think you'll get two answers. These two are same and this is different. So this
Yes,
is what
sir.
answer you get. So now I think we added 333, right? So just add 3.21 for the previous combination. So just make a corrections there only. Any of the building
Yes,
of
sir.
circuit is same. Only the value has been changed. Just correct it here. Is it fine here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So any other doubts regarding your star delta and source transformation? See your time till Monday. So again, we will discuss theorems in the next 12 o'clock session. So still if you have doubts on any topic, you just inform me. So we'll try to do the things. Is it fine here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So attendance you can enter and you can leave. So see you 12 o'clock. So I am feeling the strength is too less, hardly 20. One keep dropping. Okay, I won't talk anything now. So when you face the things, you can